This video is actually for a specific person that emailed me with a question, but I thought I'd make it live because I think it's a really good example of the power of Black Diamond Trader. This is the pound yen daily chart. And when I first started trading, I loved the yen crosses, euro yen, pound yen, loved it. Especially the pound yen. It's such a wild beast of a ride sometimes. Got to watch the spread cost. But overall, I really enjoyed trading this. And I still do swing. I never really day trade it, spot market. Anyhow, let's just get right to the point of this video before I just ramble on. This person has said they really enjoy trading the pound yen. They want to see how the pound yen did using Black Diamond Trader. I don't know what method they trade. I don't know why they're asking if they enjoy trading it. They might already have a method. So I'm just going to go into the last month or last few months. You can see that in the month of October, we had this really big move down, thrusting move down. These climax moves are great, actually, when you can spot them. And you can see that market just chopped around for the whole month of October. We do get some short setups in through here. They don't really get any juice to them, but hopefully, as a trader, you're looking at this going, well, this is more of a breakout trade. This is not a mean reversion trade. There's no pullback here. These are breakout trades. Maybe you don't trade those. It's up to you. I don't know. Anyways, and let's make this line in through here. So you can see what we do here is price chopped around, broke out, pulled back, took off to the upside, right? Standard move in trading. It happens all the time. You can see that in through here, we are pretty much below our blue line, which gives us trend strength. Market takes out when it breaks out of ranges, you know, I like to call it price compression because that's what it is. You usually get some decent moves, and you can see that we've had some really nice run up through here. Nice bounces. The problem is we didn't get a long trade till over here, right there, and this is a huge move, over 1,000 pips. So I don't know if you've heard of multiple time frame trading, but I'm a huge fan of multiple time frame trading, especially when I consider momentum. The momentum trend. There's price trend, momentum trends. They can diverge. But here we got price trend, we got momentum trend as well. Momentum to the upside. This is our trend strength indicator showing the strength of the trend. Okay? So you can see that price is trending upwards. So there's no trade setup. And there's one here, but you can see that this yellow dot appears and it tells you to stay out right there. And it's a valid trade setup. This is these big dots are when the trend is changing from a down to an up or up to a down, depending on the color. So price breaks out. If you took this trade here, you actually, it's actually not a bad trade because this green is absolutely above the blue line. So there's some strength here in this market. So if you took this and you ignored this, you would have got a really good trade off of this. Okay, but let's not cherry pick that. Where we break out and through here, right? So we look down here at trend strength. So right here, we're going to put this line. So now we know we've broken out just by using price action, right? We're not using an indicator for that. We can see the breakout of the move. Our trend strength's going up. You can see these big thrusting bars, right? That's momentum bars. So we go, okay, well, we don't have a trade there, so let's drop down to our 4-hour chart and see what we got. Scroll to our red line. Well, you can see that we have a long setup here. It's valid. I'm not sure if this red line is in the exact spot. It should be. Let's just double check that. Actually, what's this green one? Yeah, so we're good with where we put it. So you did have a trade setting up through here. Now, this is just off of the momentum from that breakout, right? And if you're just trading the 4-hour chart and you're ignoring the daily chart, your trade setup is, sorry, I keep on moving over here. Your trade setup is right. Let me just double check. I just want to make sure I'm giving you guys right information. 22. So it's right here. Your trade setup is here, and you could just see this thing just took off over 1,300 pips. All right. And yeah, it actually is a valid trade going off of here. So let's pretend that we don't get it until we look at this red line. So now we're over here. But our trend strength is all to the upside. Instead of getting through here, we're looking for the down moves, right? But remember, we're going to trade only with the uptrend on our daily chart. So we don't get a trade set up till right here. And that's fine. You don't need to catch every inch of the move, right? Thinking you have to is going to make you overtrade and probably take trades that are not higher probability. Sorry, I'm scrolling around here. So here's your first setup right here. It's a long entry. I use buy stops. I've talked about this. So if you took it here, so far prices rallied up 1,200 pips in your favor. In through here, even though we have shorts setting up, we're not looking for shorts. You can see it's choppy. We're below our blue line. There's no trade. You have some long entries here. Problem is our trend strength is still a little bit too low, which is fine because look what's happening here. All right, let's keep moving here. In through here, we've got short setups, but again, we're only looking right now for long trades, and you can see all the way through here, it's choppy. Can you imagine trying to trade in this? If you're one of those traders who take every single trade, you're trying to trade in through here, you're short, you don't get taken in here. You're short. Well, the good thing is by using stop orders, you don't get taken in. If you used what the Black Diamond Trader says to use, you'd be getting in on limit orders. No, thank you. I like stop orders, always have. I'm not a big fan of limit orders. So over 1,200 pips. So the point of this video is to show that using multiple time frame trading with Black Diamond Trader is an extremely solid trading plan and a great approach to trading, period. That's something that I've done since the days I entered trading. And it doesn't matter where you're looking. Right through here we got an uptrend, right? But we're in our range. If I scroll over, we got sorry, that was a downtrend. A downtrend through here, right? You'd want to go down to the lower time frames. All the way through here, and just keep your eye on where we are with our trend strength. That's it. And you just drop down to a lower time frame. You can go 4 hour, you can go 1 hour, whatever you like. 1 hour, expect a little bit more noise, especially in the spot market. But you're going to get different entries, obviously. You're going to get a few more entries, absolutely. But again, just make sure you're keeping your eye down and through here and making sure you're only trading when the market actually has a strong trend in your favor. So trading this was over 1,200 pips using a multiple time frame approach with Black Diamond Trader. Click the link below. You can get a trial for 7 days for a buck. And if you need any help, send me over your ClickBank receipt and your number, and I can see if I can help you out. If you actually purchased through my link, if you didn't, sorry, just check out my videos. And that's that. Multiple time frame trading with a Black Diamond Trader. If I get any more emails, I will continue putting these ones out. And this is the Pound Yen Forex pair.